Hi, this is Dan, one of the Missouri Travelers. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. There's nothing better than to be out on the water when it's a hot day in a cool stream. Nothing can be more enjoyable. Add a few extras like add a few adult beverages, and sometimes you can get a little silly. Now, there's nothing wrong with getting a little silly, as long as you don't get it out of control. That's one of the main problems, is people let it get out of control. And then this happens. Yeah, the Rangers came, the Highway Patrol came, the sheriff came, and somebody left in handcuffs. Unfortunately, they were fighting with each other up the street.
What we had last night, it looks like the campers next to us moved out pretty early this morning. You never know what you'll run into at a campsite, so always be prepared.